Vegan Living 24/7. I'm here with Gillian again, and we are going to be making vegan molasses cookies. So really simple ingredients and quick to make. We're gonna melt the margarine now, or the butter, whatever. And we're setting the oven to what?
350.
To 350 Fahrenheit. Hello. What's your doggy's name again?
Tasha.
Tasha? Hello, Tasha. It's a happy wiggy dance. He's like, someone's paying attention to me finally. I haven't been paying attention to you.
Alright, so this recipe is so simple. We're saving a bowl. Woohoo!
Now we're just going to roll out the cookies.
Just want
Not too much.
some little, yeah, in your hand, into a ball, into the sugar, and then onto the tray.
So now we're gonna put the cookies in the oven for
The microwave.
That's the microwave. So now we're gonna just put the cookies in the oven for 8 minutes at 350.
Or longer.
Or longer, yeah, if you want them to be crispier. And the ginger molasses cookies are now ready. And they should cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cole is trying a cookie. Good. Are they better than the last batch with the dark molasses?
Mom, the batteries were dead.
All right, now we are going to taste test the ginger molasses cookies. Still fresh from the oven. Those are really good. And like I said, I'll leave the recipe to this in the description box below, so I would definitely suggest trying this recipe out. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you do try this recipe, tag me on Instagram at veganliving247, and please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. And thanks so much for watching. Veg, peace, and love. Tasha, say hello.
No?
He's so cute. Such a pretty doggy.